A pioneer tree in which the leaf and bark extracts can be made into a fermented drink. What a fantastic tree it is! Introducing Binonga Macaranga tanarius of the family Euphorbiaceae. The name Macaranga is believed to come from the Malay word macaranga, which refers to a type of tree. This reflects the plant's native habitat in tropical regions. The species name Tanarius is derived from the Latin word tannar, which is associated with the term for tannins. This suggests a connection to the plant's use or characteristics related to tannin production. Binonga is a close relative of Takip asin and is distinguishable by its smaller, softer leaves and larger stem. It is highly regarded as a pioneer or gap tree, a fast-growing evergreen tree that prefers full sun exposure for optimal growth. It is found throughout the Philippines, particularly in thickets, wastelands, open spaces, and second-growth forests at low to medium elevations. The Binonga wood is suitable for manufacturing wooden shoes. It is also a good source of pulp that can be used to manufacture high-quality particle boards. The leaves, bark, and roots have anti-dysentery, emetic, antioxidant, and antibacterial properties. Leaf and bark extracts can be made into a fermented drink called basi, a sugarcane-based rum, and local vinegar. The bark contains tannin that can be used to toughen fish nets, while the sap can be used as glue. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.